Pastor Jan, yaman na kasi pinangitan mo man ang pinangitan yung isang gaway nga tumaglaw, tumunggal kayo sa ako. First, good morning po to everyone. Kumusta po kayo? And I see and hope everyone is well. And kita naman po, bakas naman po sa mga mukha natin that we are all doing fine despite yung mga challenges in life. I'm sure na we have this positive outlook in life because we have Christ in us. First, we're almost a month has already passed since the major elections, and by God's grace, we have again been given the opportunity to serve and of course lead the city of San Fernando. And we owe it all to God. All glory for the Lord. This is for the glory of God. I know that He has great plans, not for me, only for me, but more importantly for the city of San Fernando. First, as I thank the Lord, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for extending us your trust and support in the past elections, and most importantly, for giving us your prayers, for praying for me, for my team, for our team, and most importantly, for the city of San Fernando. Sabi ko po, the last time that we had this breakfast meeting, I asked you to pray for the electorate. I requested that we all pray for each and every one of us that we'll be able to choose the right leaders for the city of San Fernando. First, there are many backstories, inside stories during the past elections, during this campaign and this election. Every time naman po marami po mga backstories, and let me just share with you some of yung mga thoughts and insights ko ng past elections. Of course, hindi ko po alam kung bakit po sa tanang buhay ko, every time an election comes, marami pong pangitain.